learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Patako Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, something that you can use almost daily, especially if you haven't seen someone for a little while. 很久不见的朋友可能就会说最近好吗？然后希望他的答案是好，但也有可能是不好啦。Okay, so how are you lately? Is it good or not so good?
按旧后末，
按旧后末 that means how are you lately? And 好
后
唔好就是不好 right? That's good or not so good. So Alice, 也好久不见了。
对啊。
最近好吗？按旧后末。
冇嘛几好。
冇嘛几好，不是唔好而已，是冇嘛几好，那表示不太好，是不是？
对啦。
That means not too well. 怎么了？为什么啊？
身体冇松松。
哦，身体冇松松。松松我们教过就不太舒服。
对。
哦 ，You're not feeling too well. Your body's not feeling too well. 怎么了？是有发烧吗？
有啊，可是不是现在，不要紧张，已经好了。
I was a little worried because Alice actually looks a little pale, and I just asked her, "Did you have a fever?" 哎，顺便教大家，如果要问说有发烧吗？怎么说？
有发烧吗？
有发烧吗 ？Okay, 发烧 that means a fever.
那海陆腔发烧。
发烧 Okay, it sounds a little bit more like Mandarin, and that's a different dialect for fever. Then of course, you should ask, "Did you go see a doctor?" 有去看医生吗？
有一本线上看吗？
有一本线上看吗？线上就是医生啊，哈，线上 that's doctor. 看吗 that means did you go see a doctor? Okay. And finally, as it should apply to most cases, 通常这个身体不好的话，要多休息，多喝水啦。
对
，OK, drink more water. OK, 要多喝水哦。
爱吃加条水哦。
爱吃加条水哦。水哦，哦，就是水啊。
对。
Sounds like pretty or beautiful, but it really means water. 加条就是多喝一点。加条 that means drink plenty, plenty of water. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary, such as getting a fever, 发烧or a doctor, 医生线上 and it's all about asking, how are you lately? 最近好吗？
按旧后末
and maybe it's yes, good,
后
or 唔好 which means not so good. And hopefully you don't have a fever, you don't need to go see a doctor, you just need some rest and listen to ICRT. How about that? That does for today's Patako Hakka.
是母太嘎。
俺只sei张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.